1976 Suzuki A100. Okay, this is a true cold start. First thing in the morning. First thing, turn on fuel. Turn key. Choke. And it should be one kick. Please don't embarrass me. As any two-stroke, it is a little cold-blooded. Bike has 7,332 miles. From what I know, it is all original except for tires and battery and one turn signal lens. I also added a new style ATC fuse holder instead of the old glass fuse. The old one is still available, new old stock from Suzuki if you want it. Other than that, the bike is all untouched and original.